best comfortable woodworking machinery and parts to wood routers. Item specifics. Brand name AccTek, condition new model number, AKM 13253 CNC or not CNC. Power W, 4.5 kW air cooling spindle / 5.5 kW option driver inverter Taiwan Delta inverter. Working size: 1300 by 2500 by 250 control system Taiwan Syntec controller. Software original ArtCom Type 3, ArtCut, transmission Taiwan Highwind linear 25mm square rail. Driver Japan Yaskawa servo motor and drivers 850 watts. Name, AKM 13253 multi-head wood drilling machine. Production process is so good. Jinan AccTek manufacturer multi-head wood CNC router, multi-head wood drilling machine. Here drilling and welding, printing, installing, testing precision, inspect verticality, testing performance. Multi-head wood drilling machine. Advantages of multi-head wood drilling machine: economic HSE, drill units, construction, spare parts, precision, high speed, table. Parameters of multi-head wood drilling machine. Type AKM 13253 woodworking furniture wood CNC router. Working area 1300 x 2500 x 300 Traveling speed 35 meters per minute. Cutting speed 20 meters per minute max. Spindle parameters: 3.5 kW air cooling, ER25. Controller OS Syntec. Driving system servo motor. Working voltage AC 380V/3PH/50Hz. Electrical accessories: Taiwan Delta VFD. French Schneider low voltage electrical components. High quality cable. Driving system: Taiwan Highwind rail. Taiwan TBI ball screw. Good quality helical rack. Table structure: T-slot and vacuum table. Drilling units: 9 vertical, other models are options. Weight: 2T. Accessories: 5.5 kW vacuum pump. 2 tool box including tools, software, user manual etc. Details of multi-head wood drilling machine. Woodworking: wooden doors, solid wood doors, solid wood furniture, antique furniture, cabinets, screens, decorative materials, waveboard, stereo, sewing machine, game cabinets, computer tables, grout frames. Processing industries. Mold industry: all kinds of mold, automotive foam mold, a large wooden model ships, wooden model aviation, propeller, train wood molds. Music industry: three-dimensional surface can be carved large musical instruments, shape cutting. Ideal for panel furniture, solid wood furniture, office furniture, wooden door productions, as well as other non-metal and soft metal applications.